I mean, honestly, I can't say I'm surprised. Nil-nil, Aston Villa. As soon as John Durant came on, I honestly thought we were cooked. But how? How are we missing so much chances? I don't even blame Ten Hag. I blame our players. We can't finish our chances. We we don't have a style of play. We don't know what to do, when to do it, and our players are always fucking injured. But now international break starts and watch. All of our players are going 10 out of 10s. I scored a hat trick, maybe Bruno Fernandes. As Zuggsy will go and score 2 goals or some shit. I don't really know, man. Honestly, I can't deal with this shit. I can't deal with this shit. This team, after the international break, we play Brentford and then Fenerbahce in the Europa League. So, yeah. I mean, we can't do much. We have to see what we can do. I hope we win both those games, but I believe in us. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.